Rockford is home to many charming historic houses, each with unique architectural details that tell a story of the city's past. From classic Victorian homes to early 20th century craftsman bungalows, these properties are treasures worth preserving. But one of the most important, and often challenging, upgrades for older homes is window installation. Replacing windows in a historic property requires a balance of preserving character, improving efficiency, and ensuring long-term durability. Here's what Rockford homeowners should know before starting a window installation project in their historic home. Respecting historic character. One of the defining features of historic homes is their original windows. They often showcase unique woodwork, intricate grills, or uncommon shapes that contribute to the home's authenticity. Matching original style. Replacement windows should closely resemble the originals in design, size, and finish. Custom options. Many manufacturers offer historically accurate window lines that replicate vintage profiles. Grills and muntins. Choosing the right grid pattern helps maintain period-appropriate aesthetics. Preserving these details ensures your home keeps its charm while gaining modern performance. Improving energy efficiency without compromise. Older homes in Rockford were often built with single-pane windows that offer little insulation. This can result in drafts, higher energy bills, and less comfort year-round. Modern window technology makes it possible to improve efficiency without sacrificing authenticity. Double or triple pane glass provides insulation against Rockford's cold winters and hot summers. Low-E coatings reflect heat in the summer and keep warmth inside during winter. Gas fills between panes enhance insulation further. These upgrades allow homeowners to enjoy significant energy savings while keeping the historic charm intact. Choosing the right materials. Material selection plays a big role in maintaining authenticity and durability. Wood windows. Best for historic accuracy, wood can be stained or painted to match original finishes but requires regular upkeep. Wood-clad windows. Combine a real wood interior with a durable exterior, such as aluminum or fiberglass, reducing maintenance without losing character. Fiberglass or vinyl. More affordable and weather-resistant, but may not offer the same traditional look unless carefully chosen. For Rockford homeowners, wood or wood-clad windows are often the best compromise between authenticity and modern performance. Addressing structural challenges. Historic homes often come with quirks, uneven walls, settling, or non-standard window openings. These factors can make installation more complex. Custom sizing. Replacement windows are often made to measure, ensuring a precise fit. Expert installation. Professionals familiar with older homes know how to handle unique frames without damaging surrounding structures. Preservation concerns. Care must be taken to avoid altering or removing historic trim, moldings, or other architectural details. Working with experienced installers ensures your windows fit perfectly while preserving your home's integrity. Navigating local guidelines. In some Rockford neighborhoods, historic preservation rules or homeowners associations may have guidelines for window replacement. Check requirements first. Some areas require approval before replacing windows. Submit design plans. Provide details on materials, finishes, and styles to ensure compliance. Work with local professionals. Installers familiar with Rockford's historic districts can help navigate the process smoothly. Following these guidelines avoids delays and ensures your project respects community standards. The value of professional installation. Installing windows in a historic home isn't a DIY project. Professional installers bring the tools, skills, and knowledge needed to address challenges unique to older properties. Airtight sealing improves energy efficiency. Proper flashing and insulation protect against moisture damage. Attention to detail ensures your home retains its period character. Professional work gives you confidence that your investment will last for decades. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Window installation in historic homes is about more than just replacing glass. it's about preserving character while embracing modern comfort. By choosing historically accurate designs, energy-efficient technology, and professional installation, you can maintain your home's beauty and protect its legacy. With the right approach, your historic Rockford home will not only look stunning from the street but also provide the comfort, efficiency, and value you deserve.